Blessed, blessed, blessed. This is Starseed once again. Big up yourself. You don't know. You are the mix up and things. See? Alright. You have some people where them lie. And everything them hear, them run with it. Them not care if it wrong or right, them a run with it. You understand what I say? See? Alright. For instance. See? So you don't watch the news and you see a thing going. See? And you come here and say to your virgin or whatever and I say, yo, the news carrier them. And you say to them, say, yo, that thing they go down, you know. The world boss, the big boss, him free up, you know. Yo, them man they no wait. They don't want to hear nothing more. Then cut, then gone. Yo, Vybz Kartel they are road. Vybz Kartel free. Me know if you fact. It depend on the news. Vybz Kartel free. Remember me no call Vybz Kartel name, you know. And I know one big boss you have, you know. A whole heap of world big boss you have, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. You see what me I deal with? Yo, everything you tell them do it the opposite. If you tell them, say, yo, you plan to keep a party, you know, hear them, boom, party up at them man the next week. The vibes up at that man the next week. Food, drinks, and the house. You hear that? And me not say nothing like that. Me not make no plan like that. Me say, me a plan. Me not set no date and date make. Me not invite nobody and everybody invite. Me not prepare no free food and free food invite. Me not prepare no liquor and liquor invite. You hear me I tell you? The thing set up away. The thing not right. Why people so wicked, man? Why people have to behave like that? We have enough news carrier out there. We have CNN, we have BBC, social media, we have everything. And just because me say 2 sentences and you make it be 222 sentences you carry out. People, you have to stop it. You have to really, really stop it. Look into yourself and see what I do. You think it look good? You think it look good? You make the person look bad and you even look badder. Remember me tell you that. You can't do things like that. Seeing? You can't operate like that. You have to look into yourself and say, yo, I want to try to do. I want to try to prove. Don't be foolish. Don't be stupid. Think differently, man. You can't take news and run carry news go all over the whole place like that and it not right. It don't right. See? That's big up on yourself here, man. Starseed here once again.